Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I have for you 3 news about artificial intelligence in art. Bloomberg contributor Theo van Wagner reports how London-based artist Anna Riedler collected 10,000 tulips over the Netherlands, taking 700 photographs a day to build the most extensive dataset of tulips possible in the name of art. Riedler labeled each picture, noting the flowers' color and stripes, then fashioned them into a 100 square meter, approximately 1610 square feet art installation titled Myriad Tulips in her hometown of London as a part of the exhibition AI More Than Human. Specifically, Riedler fed all of the images and labels into a machine learning model to churn out an almost infinite variety of tulips. The result produced Mosaic Virus, a 3-screen video installation. Astonishingly, her model, when connected to a real-time feed, reacts to the price of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. As the price of Bitcoin goes up, the tulip becomes more stripy. As the price of Bitcoin goes down, it starts to become more plain, she says. VentureBeat contributor Kyle Wiggers reports that in March, Nvidia revealed GauGAN, a generative adversarial AI system that lets users create lifelike landscape images that never existed. Nvidia researchers are always pursuing new techniques to create images with higher fidelity and higher resolution. So at the SIGGRAPH 2019 conference in Los Angeles, they announced they updated GauGAN with a new filter feature that layers on lighting and styles from uploaded photos. The machine learning model underpinning GauGAN was trained on more than 1 million images from Flickr, imbuing it with an understanding of the relationships among over 180 objects in nature that you can find in nature. Paintbrush and paint bucket tools allow users to design their own landscapes with labels including river, glass, rock and cloud, and the aforementioned style transfer feature lets them modify the colors and aesthetic on the fly. Engadget contributor Steve Dent reports that Italian design studio Ultravioletto used AI to power a mirror that lets you see yourself the way corporations see you, as a collection of data points. The Neural mirror installation is made of an OLED panel with a reflective coating that can act as both a mirror and a display, along with a depth sensing camera. Indeed, by leveraging technologies available to everyone, it reflects a ghostly vision of a machine's idea of who you are, while displaying and printing creepy data about their ethnicity, facial geometry, facial expressions and more. As you move your body, face and hands, the artificial version moves along with you. The AI system chooses the style and colors for the image based on the data that it captures. Artificial intelligence extracts all of our behaviors in a shady way, then transforms them into a form of worth for corporations, said Ultravioletto's Bruno Capezzuoli. The Neural mirror installation was showed in July in a church in Spoleto, Italy. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. It's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye!